Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download any YouTube video to an MP3 file. So all you gotta do is just to go to yt1s.com, and I'll have a link in the description down below. And all you gotta do is just to go type the link of a video that you want and just paste it here. So this is actually one of my videos, so I won't get copyrighted or anything like that. Because this is kind of like a re-upload. First video just didn't work out very well. Anyway. So here's the video link, and we're just gonna click convert to MP4. As you can see on top of here, also got YouTube to MP3, which we will talk about later. So as you can see, we've got this little box right here that tells you the title of the video, the user who uploaded this video, and the length of the video. Down here is a drop-down menu where you can see the quality. So obviously it's gonna start off as a MP4 video. Personally, I'm just gonna put it to 480p so we can, make this video a little bit faster, and you can do 144p again and to MP3. But for now, we're just going to put 40p for MP4 and click get link. It's going to just wait, you just need to wait a little bit, and it's going to give you two options, I believe. So let's just wait a little bit. As you can see, two options. Usually we just click download, and if you want to convert more things, more videos, you could just click convert next. But for now, we're not going to do that. And as you can see, it's downloading, and you just click on the video. Hey guys, welcome back to another
And
video.
that's
So
it.
today I'm going to be showing you how to check video working in 480p. You can see the bad quality, that means it's in 480p. But yet, that's how it works. So all you gotta do is just to click download and you have the video fully downloaded. Now let's talk about YouTube to MP3. So again, the same thing. It's just to convert a YouTube video to a audio file. So maybe if there's a music video on YouTube, you could just copy the link of the video of the music video on YouTube and just click convert to MP3. And it's the same thing. Drop down menu, get link, download, and that's it. It's gonna show up as an audio file. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully this video was actually helpful for anybody who's wondering how to download a video, a YouTube video. So thank you for watching.